In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Google Meet backgrounds. Before I start, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to never miss out on any of my future videos. This helps me a lot. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Make sure that you have Google Chrome web browser downloaded because it won't work with other web browsers. I will put a link to a video on how to download and install Google Chrome onto your computer. So check it out. Once you're in Google Meet, look for the three dots to the far right. It's going to be right by the Presenting Now button. You're going to click it. The next step is you're going to press Change Background. Click that too. And these are all the default ones provided to you from Google. But let's say you don't want these and you want to use another picture. Well, you came to the right place. I will now show you how to put a non-default image onto your Google Meet backgrounds. So let's get started. What I want you to do is open up a new tab and type in birthday background for video calls. Wait for the load. All right. The next step is I want you to click Images. Now let's look for a good birthday image. I like this one. Now click the image. Okay. The next step is I want you to have your cursor hover over the image and right click. You're going to look for Save Image As, which is right here, right by Open Image and Copy Image. You're now going to click it. You're then going to save this to your downloads. Once you have that saved, go back to Google Meet. Go back to Change Background. The next step is I want you to click the plus button to add an image. Then press Download. And now look for what you previously saved. In this case, it is the 300, because that is this one that we previously downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you use Google Meet backgrounds. Don't forget to smash a like to this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to never miss out on any of my future videos. Please kindly provide your feedback in the comments section below. This will help me improve. Thank you.